Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Going live on Instagram with a friend is a great way to connect with your audience in real time, and the process is actually pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Open Instagram and navigate to your home feed, then swipe right to access the camera section where all your direct messaging and live features are located. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app so you have access to all the current live streaming features. Step 2. Tap the Create button at the bottom of your screen, then select the Live Video option from the menu. You'll see different broadcasting options, so choose the standard live feature to start your broadcast. Step 3. Before you go live, add a title that describes what you're streaming about and customize your settings like who can view and comment. You can also add a cover photo to make your stream more appealing and professional looking to viewers. Step 4. Once you're live, you'll see a list icon in the top right corner that shows your viewers. Tap the invite button to send invitations to friends you want to join you. Your second person will receive a notification and can accept the invitation to appear on your stream together. Step 5. When your guest accepts and joins, you'll both appear on screen in a split view layout that's perfect for conversations and collaborations. You can interact with comments together, answer questions from your audience, and create engaging content that benefits from having two perspectives sharing ideas and experiences.